sa'kin.
Lo!
2 minutes later.
Dito mga idol, sinadya ko lang di gumalaw ng maayos kasi gusto ko lang maramdaman ang lakas niya. At dito namatay ako dahil sa kunting katangahan.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst. The world is food. Defines the winner. The man who can beat me has not been born yet. Not knowing oneself, that's the worst. Saying it's not a way to hurt somebody, but in order. Somewhere. Knowing is not enough. We must apply. Not knowing oneself, that's the worst. The world of kung fu, speed defines the winner. Defines the winner. Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Salamat sa panonood mga idol. Nais ko lang sana i-shoutout ang mga idol ko. Shoutout kay Idol Mitch Agustin de la Cruz. Shoutout kay Idol Prince Play. Shoutout kay Idol Idolo Gimme. Shoutout kay Idol Paquialamero. At sa mga gusto magpa-shoutout, mag-comments lang kayo sa baba mga idol. Hindi ko kayo kakaligtaan kasi nga mahal ko kayo.
Baliw. Lo!